Alright guys, we are going to be doing some Jeep mods today, just in the interior. I'm waiting for my dad to come look for a specific tool that we need, because we might have to go back to Home Depot. I swear we've been going there like 1,000,001 times. Excuse me, so I'm going to be filming those for you guys. I've already uploaded 2 Jeep mods already for the exterior. So if you guys want to see what we've done, shout out to my dad for helping me out, and Michael is here. Hey! Check out those videos. I'll leave them linked down below, so be sure to watch. So today I'm going to be doing another Jeep modification in the interior of the car. So we're going to be doing the wild boar rear, and we also have the front grab bars here. I just decided to go ahead and get black. These came from LedFactoryMart.com, so shout out to them. I'll be sure to leave them linked down below. I know they also do come in another color option, so be sure to check those out. So in the box here we have the rear handles, and then we have the screws that are going to be used to go ahead and install that. And then I'll show you guys what the front grab bars look like. There we go. And again, it comes with all of the hardware that you're going to need to install these. They don't come with instructions, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what they look like inside. But if you want them in red, I know they are definitely available for you guys. So again, check that out. I just think these are going to be an amazing difference to getting in and outside of the Jeep, because I don't have any bars to step onto. So I'll show you guys what that looks like once we go ahead and get them up. The first thing we're going to need is a 10mm socket, and this is what we're going to use to go ahead and undo the bolts in the rear of the back seats. So let's go ahead and do that right now. For this install, we're going to go ahead and use the same hardware that comes in the box, and there's only 2 that you're going to go ahead and screw in. It's a lot easier to install the back, I feel, than the front. It's a little more difficult because you have extra parts that you're going to need. Now this is a 2017 vehicle. I don't know the compatibility, but I feel like it's just a little too close. Pan, thank you. It's a little too close, but you're still able to grab on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other steps on the other side.
Double check and make sure they're extra tight in there so they won't loosen up on you.
I do have the old grab bars here, which still work. I mean, I'm not planning on taking these off. You know, personal preference, whatever you want to use to get into the car, do you. So again, we're gonna repeat those same steps, you guys, and take out those nuts and that washer. Super easy, you don't need those. And again, we're gonna go ahead and use the new hardware and our tool and go ahead and install these. It's a little heavy. I need my assistant, but he is holding the camera. Gotta find that hole and align it.
That's what she said.
Look, I got it on the first try. Hey. Now I have to say, quick review, these grab bars are super heavy duty, so I think these are going to be the best bang for your buck. A lot of people in the Jeep community have them in their car, and I can understand why. Because of the function, I do like the rugged look that these offer to the car, and of course it's black, so it goes very well with everything that I already have. It's not going anywhere, so you can get your grandma up in the car, like she can just, it's so much easier. So I really like that, especially being, I don't have a step on my car yet. Maybe I'll get one in the future if you guys recommend a good one. This is gonna be really good for me compared to having the standard factory grab bar that's literally just a strap. So I like them both. For now, they're gonna stay, and that's about it. I could move the whole car if I wanted. Like, these are not going anywhere. So we have the old straps. And also be cautious of the windshield, because you don't want to slam the tool and crack it. So we're using a 13mm to take out the top bolt. There's only 2 bolts in this one. So just be careful when you remove the hardware, because you're...
And be real careful when you pull it out, because again, it can drop in there.
Take out the old hardware, and I'll show you guys the new hardware. It's a little different than the back. So we have 2 different size screws, 2 shorter and 2 longer, and we're also going to be attaching these in between the grab bar and the car. So the shorter one is going to go on the top and the longer one's going to go on the side. And you're going to want to make sure that you have the right grab bar for the driver's and the passenger side. So because we're going to be using a screw, you want that groove and that indent to be facing outward. So again, we're going to use the shorter screw for the top and then the longer screw for the side. And then obviously we're going to need this piece, and we're also going to need this piece. So we're going to go ahead and do the longer screw on the side. It's going to go in like, these are really heavy, just so you all know, just like that, and then the top. So it's going to be screwed into the side just like this. So shout out to Adventure Dex, who watched his tutorial and he said and recommended to go ahead and start screwing in with the Allen key the side, and that way you'll get a better angle to go ahead and do the top. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to see how it works.
Okay. All right, so we got that one started, but what you're going to really need to do is actually take the spacer and set it above and then put the screw in behind it. See, right now, there's not enough space to try and put the two of them there together. So we've got it in place. Now it's just a matter of finding the hole.
That's what she said.
That's exactly what she said. Okay. And then we can start tightening it.
Yeah, once you get it aligned, it's so much easier to go ahead and screw it, because it's just a weird angle when you got to get them started. So shout out to the dad for coming through. And do you know what size we're using for this?
We're using a metric. I don't know Allen sizes. I just know when I buy a set, the great thing about it is they have all different sizes, so you can just kind of put them in there until you find the one that's...
yeah, so this is an Allen key.
It's just an Allen key, yeah. You can pick them up at your home centers.
Yeah, you can get them at Home Depot. And voila, you guys, we got the wild boar in there. Again, super heavy duty. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that process on the other side. So today I'm going to do a really quick install in addition to the grab bars that we just installed. We had to go to Home Depot to get some supplies and whatnot for something else. But here we have the LED lights, which we're going to go ahead and swap out for the factory lights, which are very orange and very warm. You can see right here. Now the ones in the mirror do not change, so we're going to be replacing the bulbs in the middle, the bulbs in the back. So in these packs from LedFactoryMart, we have the tool, which we're going to use, this orange thing here, to help get off this cover. And hopefully we can find the right bulb, because there is definitely an assortment here. I'll be sure to leave these linked down below so you guys can go ahead and pick them up. It's an easy like DIY that you guys can do that I believe will make the biggest difference in the inside of your car. It'll be a lot brighter, more cool toned, as they are LEDs. So again, here's the little tool that we're going to use. And this should be like a quick 5-minute install.
Boy, I love these grab bars.
I know they work. So I just went ahead and popped the sucker off. Let me show you guys a little before and after before we start the back bulb. So you can see it's very warm and yellow, and now here we have the LEDs, which I'm actually gonna pop back on the cover. So you can see it's more cool tone and more blue, a little bit brighter. I'm sure it'll make a bigger difference at nighttime, but we're just gonna go ahead and pop that back in. But look at that, crazy before and after. In my opinion, it's gonna be a subtle difference. And there we go, guys, super easy fix. Super bright. I can honestly tell a difference in here already. I really like it so much better.
It's a clean light.
A clean light.